In this video, we're going to be talking about a solution to using rock salt. So rock salt can be very damaging to your concrete, to your sidewalks. It kind of eats that stuff up eventually, but that can also be really damaging to your lawn and potentially not even safe for your pets. So I got a solution for you that is safe for all of these as long as it is used correctly. Let's get into it. What we're going to be using is the Petra Tools Pet Safe Supercharged Liquid Magnesium Ice Melt. This is a 128 fluid ounce bottle. This stuff is safe for pets, concrete, driveways, lawns, and metals. It uses a magnesium chloride formula to essentially start melting the ice on contact. You would apply this using a pump sprayer or a battery sprayer. You want to make sure you remove as much snow and ice as possible before application. Do not dilute it with water. It is already ready to roll. Now guys, this stuff is said to replace a 50-pound bag of typical rock salt. So let's get into spraying this and check it out. For this project, I'm going to be using my Petra Tools HD4000 backpack sprayer. This thing is absolutely money. I've used it a few times already, and this thing is so easy to use and absolutely a game changer. Like I said, you don't even have to dilute this with any water. It's just ready to go. So pour it in your sprayer. And guys, honestly, it's as simple as that. I sprayed that. I got some thicker ice in the back. I'm gonna go spray that, see how long it takes for that to melt. And I'm hoping that that area I sprayed will be melted by the time I get back. So let's check it out. So I've got this little area here where the guys that poured my concrete did a terrible job and kind of left a hill here. So I'm gonna go ahead, spray. This is all ice here. Let's give this a nice spray. Since that's a little bit thicker, I'm going to do 2 passes on it just like that. See how long it takes for that to melt. That's got nice ice all over it as well. Let's spray that as well. So as easy as that. I've got all that area sprayed off. Let's go see how well this stuff has worked. So guys, literally has been maybe a minute since I sprayed, and you can see all of this is pretty much starting to melt. All of this thicker ice material is becoming loose and starting to melt off. This area is all pretty much melted off and dried. Thicker ice area here is a little dip in the concrete there. Again, let's check that out. Again, that's all starting to loosen up. Mostly has melted. You can see the area I kind of missed spraying over here. There's a little bit of ice, a little bit more ice there. I missed that area, but got this area here pretty much again completely melted. A little bit of looseness here. That should all melt off here in the next couple of minutes. And also one thing you can do with this, if you're expecting a little bit of snow at night, this stuff can help prevent about 1 inch or 2 of snow from accumulating on your concrete. Maybe save yourself some time for shoveling in the morning one night. If you're expecting a little bit of a snowstorm, spray this stuff all over your concrete and you are going to be solid. Now let's go ahead back to this ice, a little bit thicker ice area, see how that is coming along here. So this area on the basketball court, again, it's probably been a minute or 2 since I sprayed this. This area on the basketball court completely melted. So that is awesome. And this little dip that I have in my back concrete behind the basketball court, this was thicker ice, and you can see completely melted here. This was actually the thickest area here. It's completely melted. Probably about 1/4 inch thick of ice, completely melted just within a couple of minutes. This one, again, there's a little bit of ice on top of there, but mostly that is water. You can see that that is all pretty much melted. What can I say? This Petra Tools Ice Melt works. This stuff is awesome. Be sure to check it out. Concrete safe, driveway safe, grass safe, pet safe. What more could you ask for? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have a good one.